Hi there, I'm Jose. Like many of you, I'm also working from home. But you know something? This is not time to get frustrated, but we can actually be creative. There's many things we can still do from home. If you're out there working, custodial, DBS, maintenance, just let me tell you, I'm very proud of being part of this community, and really thank you for everything that you do. Well, if you need equipment, you know how to get a hold of us. Lieutenant, phone number is right there. And if you want to get a hold of me, my phone number is right here. Again, if you don't need anything, that's fine. I just want to give you a little message that everything is going to be okay. We're going to pull out of this together. And thank you for everything. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.